Hey guys, I'm again here. Hello guys, I'm again here. Solving today's lead code problem. Let's remove key digits. Given string num representing a non-negative integer num and an integer k. Return the smallest possible integer after removing k digits from num. Okay, so uh, so we have here a string named num and I have to remove some digits from it. The k number of digits from k number of characters from it, and such that my final result would be smallest possible result. And I think mm, first I would see like constraints. Oh man, like num length can be 10 to the power 5 means I can't possibly compare every digit after removing, or just I can't consider every possibility of removing uh, characters from the string. I have to devise some other way of solving this question, some like logical way of just removing question in like on. It's looking like on. I have to do it in on because another way can give me a solution because if I'll go to n square then it would be greater than 10 to the power 9 which is like out of bound. So uh, let's devise a plan to solve this question. Okay, one thing is clear that if the number of digits to remove is equals to the length of our given string, then we have to straight away return 0 like in the third example test case. So I've just written the very trivial very trivial if condition in the starting of my code. Okay, let's see how can I do this question. uh Can there be some logic while removing the numbers? I guess. Okay, the most important criteria while removing characters numbers from this string is first of their significant bit position. The left most significant bit, like the most significant bit. I have to just see that most significant bit is like 1. So my most MSB should be like smallest number first of all. And after that second MSB, third MSB, and like okay till KS MSB, I can change my MSBs. So I think my MSBs should be least. So actually, what options do I have? if I like in the first example test case, if I have to do it like myself, uh, like in a dry run, then I'm gonna do like just remove this four from here. What else I can do? Just remove this four from here and then this three, this two. Uh, okay. First of all, I will see like this is one. And I'll compare. I'm gonna compare it with four, which is biggest. Just remove four. Uh, then I have one three. Or I should always keep in mind a k digit buffer. Oh man, can't be possible, right? Because it then go straight away to like n square, which can't be possible. Possible. I don't know. Let's see topics. String stack. Oh man, it's some stupid stack question. Greedy monotonic stack. Let's see. Okay, put in this one number. Like it's a this is a hint I've taken from the description. There are some actual hints also given in the description, but I'm not looking to them till now because no, yeah, no. Where are the hints, man? They used to be here somewhere. I don't know. Where are the hints? Like they last time or so, I think now I think lead code has like stopped providing some hints to questions. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll do it in one go. One thingy. Hmm. Hello. Okay, let's create a car stack. And here's the logic. I've read it in some like read it in solutions. Have to accept what I'm doing. I'm not like I couldn't able to solve this question by myself because it just did uh, popped into my popped. It just not. It just not. It just didn't popped onto my mind so easily because it's involving some stack stuff, and I haven't done much of those problems. So I think um, considering my condition and the like scarcity of time I am in, I shouldn't stick too much onto the problems. Uh, if I'm if I'm if I ain't progressing into any direction, because then it would be just time waste. Because if you are thinking in some direction and you are just getting question more and more, and you have some grip on this question, or like you have an approach and you are just trying to implement it, or you have ideas scattered into your mind and you have to just or you are just coercing them into one place to solve the question, that is a different thing. But if you just didn't know anything about the question, I think after giving enough time to that question, you should definitely move towards the solution of the that particular question, because that is unnecessarily time waste of if you are just staring at that question like for hours, and and just just uh, just not learning nothing anything new, like just not learning anything new. You should definitely try to subjugate your time more efficiently. Only this I would wanna say right now. That's it, let's do this question. So first of all, I have to just use a stack and a for loop. Okay, uh, for loop, and just I have to traverse on each character of the given string. Then inside that string, I have to use a while loop and just push uh, push element into the stack. If okay, I have to push element in the stack anyway, but I have to remove the element from the stack if first of all my stack is not empty, means I have to like empty, and aren't my k is greater than 0, it shouldn't be equal to 0, and my like stack dot top element should be greater than the given ch. But I know that this isn't the right way of comparing two digits. So what I'm gonna do, how to compare those two. freaking digit. So I think it's the right way in its own way. Because if I'm subtracting character zero from both of the characters, it just means the same thing. Okay, like it's a right thing. It's uh, in its own way. Okay, so I can compare them these two characters directly, and if I do the other way around by subtracting the character zero from both of them, uh, that will just mean the same thing. So let me just do the do this question right away. So if that happens and I find it as stagger top is greater than ch, then I have an option to stick the pop and then k minus minus obviously, and then okay, okay, and then I have to just push that the like the element which I have compared right now, which I had compared into the stack. Okay, and that's the that's the pretty that's all. That's pretty much what I should do um, through the stack, and more condition if like somehow this above while loop couldn't able to find any like uh, like uh, like every new digit is bigger than the previous one, like our whole digit is in a sorted order, then the most intuitive way to solve this question would have been like just remove the all larger least uh, least significant numbers. Okay, like what I want to say, like if there would have been something like 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the most correct way to minimize this number is just remove the last three digits, because if you remove the first three digits, the remaining number is anyway, going to be larger and you have to minimize it. So you just have to remove the last three digits if your k is remaining from the this after passing through this loop. Okay, so I have to just pop the last while k minus minus, just pop out the elements from the stack. Okay, that's pretty much that was pretty much of it, and then now whatever in the stack is my solution, and so I have to make a string solution or answer, whatever you want to name it, and by default answer would be going to empty string. So now I have to pop elements from the stack. Well, stack not empty, and just answer dot pushback. You know that pushback is like a efficient way of adding a character into a string, because it push backs to just after the last element. But when you do that answer plus string thing, then it traverse the whole string you already have, and that make its complexity to like n to n or something. Like it first gonna like it in that way it's just it joins the two strings by making a another string, of that much size, and then the whole traversal is O n. But in this process, like in the dot push back, it just push back onto the last element. Like it's O1, and that another way of adding character to a given string is O n. Okay, I think that's it. So where was I? Where was I? I was like, I have to push back. Okay, there's a way like stack dot pop, stack dot top. Okay, okay. Stack dot top, st dot top, and just s dot pop the remaining element, and I think I have to just return my answer. Let's run it. If you don't know the new lit code refresh version has, like, you can use the shortcut control plus this like quotation mark or whatever to just run this, like to just run the what was that, like 911, to just run the code control plus quotation mark and control plus enter to directly submit your answer. So let's see what's the error is coming out. Okay, okay, okay. I have to reverse the answer obtained. Okay, okay. Let's reverse it. Reverse. You know what's the complexity of reversing a string by using direct STL reverse function? It's, I guess, like n by 2. N by 2. It's n by 2. It's n by 2. Just swap still with each the mid of our given string. So it's n by 2. Okay. Let's just try to submit it again. Like run it again. Okay. I know it's gonna be fine. Oh man, not fine. Oh, brother. After me, remove this trailing zero from the string. Okay, okay, okay. Just remove leading zeros from the answer. Let's remove them. I don't know any shortcut way of doing that, but just remove leading zeros from the answer. That's a simple while loop. I'll not while loop actually for okay for char x answer if x equals to 0, then how could I like just remove the first element of an answer? So, okay. Hmm. Or I should better make this correct question correct while popping out. Okay, to skip this part, I can do this same thing right away while I was popping the characters from my stack. Let's wrap up. Okay. If no, if oh brother, it's like a dilemma. I can use a stupid rule. Bull flag equals false. Okay. If flag, then it's going to run the following code. Okay. And if the flag into false, it's going to run the else code. Else dot push is pop. And if the given ch, I give st dot top equals, it does not equals to 0, then my flag would be equals to true. That's it. Nope, 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 nope. It's wrong, it's wrong, it's wrong, it's wrong. Because Jack is just doing its job. Oh man, it's a pain in the ass. Can't do this, just control chat. Okay, do it later on with this flag shit. Okay. I remove the trading zeros by some other method right away and just make another string. Simple. Wow. Why don't it just pop it? Why didn't it just popped in my mind before? Why didn't it just popped into my mind before? Why didn't it just popped into my mind before? String result. Okay. And I have to just traverse this answer for car. See. And so, brother, it's again that the same pain as use a stupid bold flag equals to false. Again, fch does not equals to 0, then flag would be true, and if flag, only then I'm going to result dot push back ch and just finally return not answer but result. I know it's some lengthy stuff, but I think I'm just only able to do that. Let's just submit this question and then voila, not voila. Output 0, brother. If if result equals to empty string. You have to return 0. That's it. And enter. And voila. I'm done with my today's streak. I don't know why it's just showing 0 day. Not even 1 day. It's second day of my streak. So can whatever you can do if someone watching there my this live streaming, stupid live streaming, I don't know. You can like see ya, peace.